Welcome to day 18 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Today we are going to do a small breathwork exercise. It's going to be called square. In this, what we will do is we'll take breath in on the count. We will hold the breath for the count of 4. Then we'll exhale for the count of 4 and again hold for count of 4, and we'll do this 4 times. It's a great breath exercise to bring you in the present moment and also to calm yourself down when you're feeling anxious or stressed out. It's a good way to in your busy life. So before you get started, find a quiet space for you and sit down in a meditative pose. It could be seating on the floor or on the chair like I am. Make sure that your back is straight. Your palms are facing down on your knees, and then gently close your eyes. Slowly notice your breath at the nostrils. Notice if you are breathing deep or shallow. Now slowly, we will inhale for a count of 4. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale on a count of 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold here before you take a breath in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take another deep breath in on a count of 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. And relax. Let your natural breath take over. Notice if your breath is deep or shallow, fast or slow. Slowly become aware of your fingers and toes. Bring movement in your fingers and toes. And then slowly open your eyes. Notice how you feel before and after each meditation, and write down as a meditation journaling practice of how you felt before and after, and it will help you track your progress through every mindfulness meditation. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family. Register for a 21-day meditation challenge and get these videos to your inbox. And subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell so you get the notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.